So here's a quick tip if your engine is sputtering on the Champion 100 520. It probably works for other engines too, but this is the one I have. So if it's sputtering on idle, it probably has to do with the pilot jet. So the carburetor, which is right there, has two jets. An idle jet, which it's called the pilot jet, I guess. It bypasses the choke and the throttle and sprays fuel right into the back there. There's you could go take this apart without taking the whole thing apart, by taking this thing off and taking this out and then pulling this out, and you could go clean the area. But before you do all that, one quick fix might be just to take the air filter out, and then you see that little hole right there? And don't mind this, I installed a motor snorkel, so that's just something else. That's not factory. That's like go run off propane and natural gas. So you just spray a few sprays in here, and that hole right there, and that might be able to take care of your sputtering. It'll clear out that little, very, very, very tiny hole, which could get gunked up by old gasoline or whatnot. If not, the next thing I would try is to take this screw off, and then you have to take that thing, pull that up, and then there's this little jet thingy, and with a lot of little holes. You clean that up, and then you spray carburetor cleaner down into it too. And then if all that doesn't work, then you're just gonna have to take the whole carburetor off and clean the whole thing, which is annoying on one of these generators. But hopefully this quick tip will help you guys, and you won't have to do all that, because it's not really fun taking this whole thing apart. I know, because I did it. Have a good one, guys.